I received the 12 Pro Max rear camera purchased in China. Replace as described by the seller. There will be no prompts for unknown parts. Let's take a look together. First, use test equipment to check the rear camera. Detection prompt normal. Band directly W right backup. Wait for backup to succeed. Show camera banded successfully. Start the installation and test it to see if it is so magical. Start up and go directly to settings. Unbelievable! After replacing the rear camera, there is no prompt for unknown parts. The camera function is also completely normal.